Hello dear students. So today in this lecture we will discuss about one more important topic of your chapter, that is the cell division. Here only a small introductory idea is given here. So what is the process of cell division? So how we define cell division? Cell division is defined as a process of formation of new cells from pre-existing cells. So a process in which an old cell divides to form new cells, that process is known as cell division. Highly energetic process, requires lots of energy for the cell. So now the question is, when it is so energetic process, what is the importance or what is the need of this process? So if we look at the need of the process, first of all, as you know, as the body size of the organism is increasing, the number of cells in the body is increasing. So where from the new cells will come? The new cells will come only by the process of cell division. So first of all, it is needed for growth and development. Then also in the body of an organism, the old cells, they keep on dying and they get worn out. So in order to maintain the life of an organism, the new cells have to be formed. So the cell division is required for replacing the old, dead and worn out cells. For that purpose, the cell division is needed. Of course, an organism is in continuous interaction with its environment, and as a result of environment as well as a result of internal conditions, number of breakages or damages in the body of organisms are going on. And in order to repair those damages also, the new cells are needed. So the another need for cell division is for repairing of the body. And another important need for the process of cell division is that all the living organisms, they have tendency to reproduce. Reproduce means giving rise or you can say giving birth to the organism of its own kind. So when another organism has to be formed, for that purpose again the number of cells are required, and that can be produced only by the process of cell division. So the another reason for which the cell division is required is for reproduction. So you can say for overall growth and development and repairing and reproduction, these are the reasons for which a cell division process is required. And now if you look at the process of cell division, this process of cell division is of two types. One is mitosis, and of course the another one is meiosis. So mitosis is a simple kind of cell division which occurs in each and every cell of the body. Under normal conditions, the cells are generally dividing by the process of mitosis. But the meiosis, it is a special type of cell divisions which occur only at the time of reproduction, and this meiosis helps in gamete formation. So mitosis, it occurs in all the cells. And meiosis occurs only during reproduction and helps in gamete formation, right? So here I have given a symbolic representation of the process of mitosis and meiosis. This upper part is showing you the process of cell division known as mitosis. In mitosis, a single cell called mother cell divides to give rise to two new cells of its own kind, and the cells formed after the process are known as daughter cells, and these daughter cells have got same number of chromosomes as was there in mother cell. As you can see here, you can see the 4 chromosomes in the form of pairs. 4 chromosomes are there. After the cell division, the 2 daughter cells, both of them are also having 4 chromosomes. The only difference is in mother cell, the chromosomes were double-stranded, but after the division, in daughter cells, the chromosomes are single-stranded, which further develop the new strand to form a double strand, right? And in case of meiosis, here the second one is showing you the process of meiosis. As you can see, meiosis involves 2 consecutive cell divisions. First of all, a mother cell having certain number of chromosomes that divides to form 2 cells having half of the number of chromosomes. You can see in mother cells there were 4 chromosomes. After the formation of 2 daughter cells, initially they all have 2 number of chromosomes, and these cells again redivide to form overall 4 cells, and all these 4 cells have half the number of chromosomes as was there in mother cells. So here in case of meiosis, 4 daughter cells are formed, and these daughter cells are having half of the number of chromosomes than mother cells. So and that meiosis is resulting in formation of the cells that help in reproduction known as gametes. So why gametes are having half of the number of chromosomes? Because at the time of reproduction, male and female gametes combine to form a new cell called zygote. So in zygote, the number of chromosomes will be again doubled, which will be equal to original one. If this does not happen, if meiosis does not occur, then every time reproduction occurs, every time gametes fuse, the number of chromosomes are always going to be doubled. And if it was happening, then on earth at right time, we were not having any life. The whole earth was full of only chromosomes. Because every time the cell divides and the number of chromosomes, they keep on becoming double. That's why meiosis, which occurs at the time of gamete formation, it is responsible for reducing the number of chromosomes to half of its original value, right? So that is all about your chapter that is cell division. Have a nice time. Goodbye till then.